Let me give you a quick gist before we start cooking today. A few days ago, my friend who is Igbo called me. She sounded a little worried because her Yoruba husband was seriously craving his favorite combination, Amala, Ewedu and Gbegiri soup. She told me she could prepare the Amala and Ewedu perfectly, but Gbegiri was a challenge. I smiled as a proud Yoruba girl. I told her not to worry, that Gbegiri is not as complicated as it sounds. I shared with her the simplest recipe. That same evening, she made it successfully. Her husband was so happy and she was proud of herself. That call inspired me to make today's video. So let's cook the simplest Gbegiri soup together. Add your peeled beans into a pot and a little potash to help it soften quickly. But here is a tip, don't put potash directly in an aluminium pot. It will darken your pot permanently. Just throw in the potash on the beans and add hot water, and in about 20 minutes, your beans will be soft and ready for Gbegiri. As you can see, the beans is so soft now and it has almost turned into a paste. The next step is to blend smoothly with sliced onions. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I need your support to grow this channel. Thank you. Now pour the beans paste into the pot. Add palm oil, chili powder, locust beans, crayfish, seasoning powder and salt to taste. Now give it a good stir. You can see the color is already popping. Now let all that goodness cook on a low heat for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, your Gbegiri soup should be ready and thick like this. But here's the secret. Don't eat your Gbegiri this way. Always loosen up this thick texture with meat stock. The best is goat or ram meat stock. It will loosen the thickness and give you that rich, authentic buka taste. You can allow the meat stock and Gbegiri soup cook together on a low heat for another 5 minutes before serving. Now view that delicious tomato sauce I'll be pairing with my Gbegiri soup and my soft, stretchy white amala. You can check my channel on how to cook the best Ewedu soup in town. This is the kind of food you eat while sitting on the floor with a chilled coke by the side. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. I need your support to grow this channel, please. See you in my next video. Bye.